Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both phones, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and make sure Quick Share is active. This creates a fast peer link. Open Control Center, tap Quick Share, and set visibility to contacts or everyone depending on privacy. Once done, unlock your screen and keep it on so background timeouts don't interrupt discovery. This first step is about making your device discoverable and ready. It removes delays and ensures the receiving phone can find you immediately. You select the photos, videos, or documents to send, then tap the share icon and pick Quick Share. This leverages a peer-to-peer connection for speed. Once you tap Quick Share, your phone scans nearby devices. Make sure the receiver's Quick Share visibility matches your selection. When the recipient appears, tap their device name. The other person must accept instantly. This direct method avoids uploads to the cloud, so transfers are faster and private, ideal for large files or quick handoffs. You finish by watching the progress indicator until it hits 100%, then check the notification or the recipient's gallery/files to confirm receipt. If the transfer stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, then restart Quick Share. This often clears discovery glitches. If files arrive but can't be opened, make sure the receiving app has storage and file permissions enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: switch visibility to everyone briefly. This resolves many pairing problems without changing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.